know, sometimes we think something is impossible until we prove it wrong ourselves. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. And today I'm so excited to share a story that completely changed my life.
Hey everyone! I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to stay to the end because today's topic is one that can truly inspire you. We're talking about how Alex learned to speak English fluently in just 60 days.
Yeah, it still feels unreal to me. 2 months ago, I could barely make a sentence in English. I was shy, afraid of making mistakes. And I avoided conversations because I thought my accent wasn't good enough. But then something clicked inside me. I decided to give myself 60 days no excuses, no breaks. Just full focus on speaking English every single day.
That's amazing, Alex. So, what was the first thing you did when you started this challenge?
The first thing I did was to surround myself with English everywhere. I changed my phone and social media to English. I watched YouTube videos only in English. And I repeated what people said. I didn't care about grammar. I cared about communication. The goal wasn't to be perfect. It was to be brave.
That's a powerful mindset. A lot of learners wait until they feel ready. But the truth is, you never feel ready until you start.
Exactly. I spoke to myself in English all the time. I described what I was doing, what I saw, and even my feelings. After a few weeks, I noticed something crazy. I started thinking in English without translating.
Wow, that's the dream of every learner. I think what makes your story special is not just the 60 days, but the way you believed in yourself and stayed consistent.
Yeah, it wasn't easy. There were days I wanted to quit, but I reminded myself why I started. I wanted to express myself freely, to connect with the world, to be confident. And now I can say it was worth every second.
That's beautiful, Alex. And we want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting our videos, liking, commenting, and sharing them. Your love really keeps us going.
Yes, thank you all so much. You're the reason we keep creating more inspiring stories. And if you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. You never know who might need this motivation today.
So Alex, how you started your 60-day English challenge. Now tell us what happened after those first few weeks. How did you move from learning single words to actually speaking fluently?
Yeah, the second month was when everything really started to change. In the beginning, I focused on listening and repeating. But later, I realized that I had to use English in real situations. So, I joined online speaking clubs, language exchange apps, and even made some friends from different countries. Talking to real people made all the difference.
That's so true. Textbooks can't give you the same feeling as real conversations. When you talk to people, you learn emotions, expressions, and real pronunciation.
Exactly. I remember one day I was so nervous before joining my first online English talk. My hands were literally shaking. But after 5 minutes of speaking, I forgot about the fear. I realized that people don't care about your mistakes, they just want to connect. That day changed everything for me.
I love that story. Sometimes fear is only in our mind. Once you speak, you realize how small it actually is.
Absolutely. And after that, I made a rule for myself I had to speak English at least 1 hour every day. Sometimes I spoke with others. Sometimes just with myself, but I never skipped a day. Even when I was tired, I would record a short video or talk to the mirror for 10 minutes.
That's amazing dedication. Most people quit when they feel lazy, but you stayed consistent.
Yeah, consistency is everything. You can study for 10 hours one day and forget it all. But if you practice for 30 minutes every day, you grow faster. And I didn't study grammar too much, I just learned by listening, repeating, and using new words naturally.
That's the best way to learn a language, like a child learns their first one. They don't study rules, they listen, repeat, and communicate.
Exactly. I also started keeping a small English diary every night before sleeping. I wrote a few sentences about my day, what I did, how I felt, what I learned. At first, it was full of mistakes, but later I could see my progress.
That's such a great idea. It helps with writing, vocabulary, and self-reflection.
Totally, and I think what helped me the most was my mindset. Instead of saying, I'm bad at English, I started saying, I'm learning English. That small change gave me confidence. Because every mistake meant I was improving.
That's so powerful. I wish more learners thought like that mistakes are part of the journey, not something to be ashamed of.
Yes, I stopped being afraid to sound funny or make grammar errors. I realized that communication is more important than perfection. I met people from Brazil, Japan, and Egypt who also spoke imperfect English, but we understood each other perfectly. That's what made me love this language. It connects hearts.
Wow, that's beautiful, Alex. You didn't just learn English, you learned confidence and connection.
Exactly, by the end of 60 days, I could hold long conversations without translating in my head. I could joke, express my feelings, and even think in English. That feeling was incredible, like I'd unlocked a new version of myself.
And that's the true reward, not just speaking English, but discovering who you can become when you believe in yourself.
Yes. And I really want to tell everyone listening, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. Speak every day, even to yourself. Listen, repeat, and be brave. In 60 days, you can surprise yourself.
I love that message. So, to everyone listening right now, remember that your English journey starts with one small step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it.
Thank you all so much for staying with us till the end. We hope our story gives you the push you need to start your own challenge.
Yes, and we really appreciate your support. Every comment, share, and kind word means the world to us. You're part of this journey too.
That's right. So keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode, friends. Until then, keep shining, stay confident, and never stop learning. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys. Love you all. Stay strong and keep speaking English every single day.